Hello and welcome to another VanTech Tuesday, in which I answer your questions that you've sent me over the last 7 days via email, the contact form on our website, Instagram, or the comment section down below on the videos. I'm going to do my best to get through this as quick as I can, so let's get on with it. The first question: do you have a spare toilet cassette, and how long between emptying? Yes, we have 2 cassettes. On an average it's 4 to 6 days, depending on what's going on with us, for each cassette. So with 2 cassettes it gives us around about 2 weeks, week and a half, something like that. The next question: do you have a tire pressure monitor? No, just go around and check them regularly. Next question: how often do you use campsites, pubs while camping? Well, we use pubs, we use wild camping, not very often to use campsites or anything like that. Mainly because this type of year, so winter time, they're closed, and then what sites that are open sometimes want like £30 a night out of you, so don't use any of them. Next question: do you have Remis blinds? If so, do you rate them? Yes, I've got a video which I'll link up there right now, which shows me fitting the blinds in the van, and we rate them highly. They're absolutely brilliant. Next question is: would you do a video on how you earn money online? I make money from hosting services like cloud backups, websites, website design, providing remote tech support, that kind of stuff, and I don't think any of that is going to be interesting to really anybody else, so probably not. Anyway, so there it is. Next question is: what breakdown cover do you have, and does it cover Europe? Well, my van's only about 18 months old now, so it's still covered by a 3-year Fiat warranty, which included European breakdown cover. So until that's up, obviously that's what I get, but when that finishes I'll probably get the RAC European breakdown one, because we've had it in the past with other vehicles and it's really good. So if I was going to buy one, that's what I'd use. Next question: how long are you planning to live in your van, and will you buy a house afterwards? Covered this topic probably like every other video, and probably never going to buy a house again. I say probably because you should never say never, so probably never say buy a house again. How long are we planning to live in our van? Well, we're just kind of like going touring, so until we've finished touring and finished finding places that are interesting to go and visit. So yeah, don't know yet. Year 2, who knows. Next question: what's your plan if you can't live in your van due to an incident? I don't know. What's your plan if you can't live in a house due to an incident? It's the same thing really, isn't it? Doesn't make any difference whether it's a van or a house or a flat, garden shed. If you can't do it, you have to go find another place. Family, friends, hotel room, something like that. Last question is: do you use a dehumidifier in a van, and if so, can you recommend it? No, we don't use one. We use the window vac to take the moisture off the windows, and we try and ventilate the van as much as possible during kettle boiling, cooking, that kind of thing. But yes, the windows do steam up. The glass single pane windows steam up at the front of the cab, but in the back it's all double glazed, so we don't have a problem that way. Right, thanks very much for watching this week's episode, and don't forget, any questions, hit me up on Instagram, use the contact form on the website, send me an email, or use the comment section down below, or any of our videos. Right, take care then, see you later, bye.